Again, you can see that I did some changes here and there, but I just changed the button color, and that's not something to get worried about. I can do the same for the register screen, but no issue. On today's video, we're going to do something super mega hyper awesome. We will finally create our user and perform our login. We will create our user on the database and we'll log him in on the app. So with that being said, let's get busy. Let me put this on full screen. Boom. What else? First of all, let's make sure we open the sign up, and here instead of register I'll write sign up. Done. What else? Oh, we need to change this color to red just to match the concept of it. Okay, it's looking good. What else? Now let us do something else. Because I don't want to have a lot of red here, we can just take this link and turn it blue for the login. Done. Something else you have to do is come over to the main screen or the main file and add this line theme. We are defining some themes for our app theme, and then you write theme data. Primary color is going to be equal to red dot shade 900. So this is going to be the primary color of our app. You have to come here and edit this. Perfect. Home page, we're not going to use it now. Login page, boom boom boom. For the login page, again, we're not going to use it now. Let us start working over here. And the first thing I may want to do is just right there before the mail, I guess it's fine. We can add this. Let's add a row. Boom, we have a row. And children. Okay, just add a small comma here. And I'm sorry if you can hear the background noise. One of my neighbors is too excited today and is making noise. But okay, that's not our problem. Now what we want here, come over here and let's add string, then here radio, no, group value, and here let me put this as mail, and you'll understand what I'm doing this in a second. This height is not required, so we can just remove it. We can keep on going down and down and down and down. Here we are going to add a new widget called radio, and for the value of this radio we will put mail, and for the group value we will write group value, and on change we'll write something here, and value changed, and the value change is going to take our E. So what's happening? We are creating our first radio button here so that the user can select his gender, if we may. But this method doesn't exist yet, so we may just come here, create a method, and inside of this method we will create a switch or if. Okay, if statement. If e, which is the value, is equal to male, let's do something to make this even better. Remove this, and we can put the set state here is equal to m, which is male. Group value is going to be equal to e, and else if our e is equal to female, our group value is going to be equal to e again. Here is male, not nail, or what's this? Done. So let's come back here to our radio button, comma here, and let's try to do expand. Add a new widget, expanded widget. Copy this, come down here, paste it, and for the value of here we're going to give female. Oops. Female. What else can we do here? Let us create some padding into this. Or is that something required to do? I don't know. Matter of fact, let me add a list tile to our, then we're going to add a title, but the title is not going to be the radio button, is going to be trailing. Is it like this? Oh, I think I misspelled this. Okay, now for the title, we'll put text, and inside of the text we can write, something like male. Okay, and we will style this. We're going to give this a text style. At least for the color, we can go colors dot white. And we still have the issue here, but what I can do is, for now I will what's happening though? I will cut this and boom boom boom. Okay, let me organize this code better. Oh, we have our title text that goes until here, and what we want now is the trailing, and for the trailing we're going to pass this. Okay, again, organize the code. For now, let me just delete this section down here. And okay, let me do something else here, which is copying here and bring it over here. um, so for the text, something else we can do is for the text align, let's go with text align center and see how things will be. Or better yet, we will go with text align dot end. Okay, and I will copy this and I'll paste it here on our mail, text align dot end. And here we will put female, and the value is going to be female as well. Okay, let us see what's happening on our app. And this is what's happening on the app. And if I click on female, it's going to select female. If I click on male, it's going to select male. But this is not quite visible. So what we can do here is to, I'm sorry for the background noise again. Okay, what we can do here is I can wrap this row inside of a container widget, and for the container widget we can just give a color, then colors dot white dot with opacity 0.5 or something. And then after that is done, we will want to have the padding here for our container, and even for the text we can change the color. No, I will give it 0.5, and let us add a padding here. Why are you not giving me that lamp? Okay, so we will add padding, and we will just copy the padding configuration for the other widgets, and oops, I'm sorry for that, and we will just paste that over here. And if we go back to our app, now we have something more or less like this. So you can select male or female. Okay, I think it's good enough. There's not a lot I would want to change anyways. Okay, with that part done, let us actually create the user now.